Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my project demonstrations in CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at the first project in project 1, and that is the ninth project. Now, this project is based on an old game from a logic book where it's a knight and knaves puzzle where they are given characters and those characters say certain things, and from what they say you're meant to deduce if the person is a knight or a knave. And now the knights always tell the truth and everything they say is the truth, while knaves don't say the truth. In other words, they lie. So using what they've said, we are meant to tell if a character is a knight or a knave. Now we're going to move over to our terminal for this demonstration. Now I am in the folder, and if I list it out, we can see the logic.py, which was implemented by the course, and then the puzzle.py, which we were meant to complete. I've in addition created a txt file because they said there's no need to show the code, but then to understand it, we have to look at what is inside this file. Okay, puzzles.txt. Now here we can see that these are the puzzles. These are what the character said in the various puzzles. Now to run the program, I'll open a new terminal so we can be running the program there. Now this is where we're going to be running the program. Now we're going to run the program here with Python puzzle.py. Yes, now we can see puzzle 0. A is a knave, like without any explanation. Now you're not going to understand this. So if we go back to this puzzles.txt, we can see that the first puzzle says A says I am both a knight and a knave, and in a game where you're meant to be telling the truth, it's not possible for you to be both. You can only be one. So us humans know that this is clearly a lie, but the aim of the project was to implement the AI for the AI to be able to infer and conclude that A was telling a lie and is hence a knave. And we did that by representing, we did this for everybody, that is you are, this is an exclusive or, is either you are a knave or a knight, but not both. And now this is the basis that we use to describe each and every one of the characters. And since you can't be both, it clearly means that A here is a knave, and our project 0 and our puzzle 0 give us that A is a knave. In the next one, A says we are both knaves and B says nothing. And human inference, we can tell that A is the one who's lying and B is a knight, because for B to say nothing, that means that B is probably telling the truth and A is lying. Then we go to puzzle 2. A says we are the same kind and B says we are different kinds. Now one of them has to be lying here, and from what we can conclude, A is the one who is lying, because if they are truly the same kind and B says something else, that means that B is lying. And if B is lying, it means that B is a knave and A is a knight, and they are truly of different kinds. So it might be a little bit confusing, but like if you really think over it and the computer really gives us the right answers. Then the puzzle 3, A says I'm either a knight or a knave, but you don't know which. And B says A said I am a knave. That is not what A said, so we can already conclude that B is a knave because B was lying there. And C says A is a knight, and B says C is a knave. Again, if you think about it, using logic, we can tell that A and C are both knights. They were both telling the truth. So that's it. That's everything. It's a really fun game. It really tests your logic. Thank you very much for watching.